Welcome to our comparison of two popular electric razors, the Ufree Electric Razor and the BaBylissPRO Barberology FXX3SB. In this video, we will explore their specifications, pros and cons, and help you determine which one is the best choice for your grooming routine. Let's dive in. When it comes to price, the Ufree Electric Razor is significantly more affordable at $79 US, making it a great budget-friendly option. In contrast, the BaBylissPRO Barberology FXX3SB is priced at $109 US, reflecting its professional-grade features and build quality. This price difference is an important factor to consider based on your budget and grooming needs. Next, let's talk about motor speed. The Ufree Electric Razor features a motor speed of 7,500 RPM, which is decent for everyday use. However, the BaBylissPRO Barberology FXX3SB boasts a high-speed rotary engine operating at 10,000 RPM, providing a closer and more efficient shave. This difference in motor speed can greatly affect performance, especially for those with thicker hair. Finally, let's examine build quality. The Ufree Electric Razor is a budget option with a focus on affordability, but it may not match the durability of higher-end models. On the other hand, the BaBylissPRO Barberology FXX3SB is designed for professional use, featuring a robust construction and ergonomic design that enhances user experience. This quality difference is crucial for those seeking long-lasting grooming tools. In conclusion, both the Ufree Electric Razor and the BaBylissPRO Barberology FXX3SB have their strengths and weaknesses. The Ufree is an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers, while the BaBylissPRO offers superior performance and build quality for those willing to invest more. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.